Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am just going to be getting ready. I think I'm gonna do like a colorful look today. I'm gonna make it something different that I haven't done. I'm gonna do my hair today too because I feel like I never do my hair in my videos. So I'm gonna be curling it today. I think I'm gonna do like a soft wave or something just because of what I'm wearing. This dress is from Boohoo. I kind of have it on halfway because I have pajama pants on, but yeah, it's really cute and it's like floral and it's good for the spring/summer. So yeah, for my hair, I'm going to be using this Hot Tools curling iron, and I think this is a 1.5 inch. I will link it below just so you guys know what it is, but I'm pretty sure it's 1.5. Yeah, I'm pretty much just gonna take it from the back and split it in half. We should be closer. And then just move that out of the way. And I'm just gonna brush out my hair. And don't mind the freaking volcano on my head. I don't even know where that came from. It looks so ugly. Alright, so I'm gonna be taking like pretty much bigger pieces. Like maybe that big. Yeah, and then I'm just gonna go around my whole head. Request my chariot, get ya. The doors open. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching. Okay, so both sides of my hair are done. I'm just gonna go over it a little bit and just comb it out with my fingers just so it looks more loose because I like more loose curls on my hair. So for today's look, I saw this picture on Instagram of this girl who did her eyes, and they're like half and half. So you guys can kind of see through the ring light. Her eyes are like two different colors, but they're like the opposites. So I'm gonna try and like recreate that today. I'm not gonna do like the same colors as her because I don't have like a purple like that. I think I'm gonna do pink and like that mint green color. I think that'll go good with this, what I'm wearing. And yeah, so we'll see how this goes. Okay, so I am gonna start off with my eyes just so any fallout doesn't go on my face. I'm just gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm gonna be putting this all over my eyelids. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. For the first eye, I'm gonna be using my Milani palette, and I'm gonna be going in with the shade Mint Julep. So this one right here. And she only uses one color in her picture, so I'm just gonna use one color on my eyelid, which would be this one. And then I'm going to be taking a smaller brush and I'm just going to pack it on my eyelid first. This color you kind of have to work to make it bright because it doesn't start off as a very pigmented color. Now I'm just going to take a fluffier brush and I'm just going to go in with the same color and just blend it out. Okay, so for the next color that I'm going to do on this eyelid, I'm going to do this pinkish, it's kind of like, it's not very shimmery, it's not very matte, so it's in the middle. This is my Morphe Hit the Lights palette, and I'm going to go in with that pink all over my eyelid like I did with the green. First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging is on my agenda. I keep wanting to go to my other eye and blend it, but I can't. Now I'm just gonna take a pencil eyeliner and I'm just gonna work it on top of my lashes just so it gives it more depth for when I put my eyelashes on. Engaging is on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya.
The door's open. Take the high road and hop in. First impression, you open.
So that's what it's gonna look like. It's not like perfect, but it's okay. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and curl my eyelashes and put a coat of mascara on.
The door's open. Take the high road and hop in. First impression, you open. We should be closer than friends. If you open, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot.
Alright, now for lashes, I'm going to be using these Lily lashes in the style Miami. And I have worn them before, but these are expensive and they're not a one-time use. So we're just going to pop these on. Okay, so the eyelashes are now on and it looks so much better. Now I'm going to be taking my pencil eyeliner and I'm just going to be going above my waterline, just so it all blends together nicely.
Let your emotion walk, follow me. Open up. Open up.
Okay, now for primer, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. Blemish Control Face Primer. And it looks like this. It doesn't go on like green or anything, so don't worry.
Open up. Need to deep breathe, heartache, complication.
Now for foundation, I'm going to be going in with my L'Oreal Infallible. This is the shade 208. I use self tanner, so I am a little bit darker, so I'm just gonna use this on a brush first, and then I'm gonna use my beauty blender to blend it out.
If you open, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's open. Take the high road and hop in. You open. Bitch, you won't be BM. We should be closer than friends. If you open, engaging you's on my agenda.
Now I'm gonna go ahead and go back in with my Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm gonna put this under my eyes, a little bit on my nose because it is pretty thick, a little bit on my chin, and then a little bit on my forehead.
Open up, open up, open, open.
Now for my contour, I'm going to be going in with my Kardashian, or my KKW contouring stick. And this is in the shade light medium, but it's not really light medium, it's kind of like really dark. So I kind of have to just build my way up because it's like really dark. Yeah, I'm going to be taking this kind of fluffy brush and I'm gonna blend it out with that. I mean, it looks light medium when you blend it in, but when you look at it, you're like, oh my god.
We should be closer than friends. If you open, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's open. Take the high road and hop in. First impression, you open. We should be closer than friends. If you open.
And then I'm gonna add a little bit on my nose.
Request my chariot to get ya. The door's open. Take the high road and hop in.
So I did recently get this like Artiste brush. It's like a little oval brush. I'm gonna try and contour with this. I've never used it before, so we'll see how it looks. I don't really contour my nose that much, so it's kind of harder for me to make it look good. Okay, that doesn't look too bad, so we'll just leave it like that. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with powder. I'm gonna be using my RCMA translucent powder, and I'm just gonna be putting this under my eyes.
I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate.
Now I'm just gonna go in with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I'm just gonna go ahead and bronze up my face.
Open up, tell you out for fall. Let your emotions waterfall on me. Open up. Open up.
Now I'm gonna do my brows, and I'll do these off camera because it's no fun to watch. But I am gonna be going in with my Anastasia Brow Wiz in the shade Medium Brown. All right, now my brows are on. I am gonna be going in with blush, and this is my Tarte little blush I have, and this is the color called Pampered. I'm just gonna add this onto the apples of my cheeks, just to make it look like I'm alive and not just all bronze.
Open up. You OPN.
Now for my highlighter, I'm going to be going in with my Becca Champagne Pop, and I'm just going to use a fan brush, and I'm going to put this on the high points of my cheeks. I don't like a lot of highlight, I don't know why, I'm like weird. And then just a little bit on my nose. And then I'm also going to put it on my collarbones too, just to make them stand out. A little bit, I'll just put it everywhere. Okay, now for the lower lash line, I'm gonna go ahead and go back in with that mint color, and I'm gonna just put it on the opposite side. So I'll put it under the pink, and then the pink will go under the green. Okay, this looks really pretty. Now I'm gonna go in with my mascara again and just put it on my bottom eyelashes.
Butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart
together. And finally for my lips, I'm gonna be going in with my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Lip Pencil in the color Naked 2.
She's closing up. Come to visit me. She say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up. Tell you out for ball. Let your emotions waterfall on me. Open up.
For my lip color, I'm going to be going in with this Becca lipstick. This is the shade Sugar.
Request my chariot to get ya. The doors open. Take that high road and hop in.
Okay guys, so this is the final look. I think it came out really, really pretty. It's something different that I never do, but I thought it was fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a like. Also, leave me a comment and let me know what you guys want to see, because I love suggestions. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.